gay sensitive.
Gay sensitive?
Yeah, that means you defend.
Totally,
for
for sure.
Okay, yeah, I'm against it.
Oh, why is that?
It's abnormal.
It's abnormal?
Yeah, it's a birth defect at best.
A birth defect.
Windshield washer.
Here I go. Point the camera at me.
What?
I mean, I really don't care.
You speak the truth, right?
You know what
So
abnormal is?
I know what abnormal
Then you
is.
got a problem. Now, if you got a magnet, it's gonna pop. You doing it again?
Does it matter? Does it matter?
Well, you said you weren't doing it. So
Are you afraid of your opinion? Are you afraid of what others might think of your opinion?
I'm gonna go on the city council
Some case studies.
public comment 3 minutes.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna be perfectly clear because I got 2 magnets in there
Okay.
and they won't stick together.
I'm not sure what that means.
They won't stick together.
I'm not sure what you're referencing, but you want?
Well, of course you don't.
I think it's positive and positive.
Enlightened.
You can't enlighten darkness.
That's completely false because you can. You just turn a light on. You know that like certain things are subjective, so it's like all your perspective and how you interpret it, really. You know what I'm saying? Because like if you think something is so absolutely right, but the other person on the complete opposite end thinks the other thing is so absolutely right, who's really right? It's all perspective. You're just interrupting me.
They
You're
don't
not
give
having a
shit about
conversation.
me. All they want to do is hold power. You're sick.
Okay, now can I say something?
Sure, I gotta go.
Oh.
Hey,
You just
you
wanted
don't-
to
you don't
say something
really-
and
you
then
don't
leave.
deserve-
Wait, come back. Tell me more things. Please, come on.
You're anti-American.
That's a racist right there. That's a grade A racist. That's a grade A homophobic racist right there. I got that shit. Oh. Oh. That was weird.
Trish.
Trosh. Seven merch. Come on, merch.
Fucking standing right here.
Dan's literally bondoing the spot with fucking mud. Because he's being a bitch and his rails are coming off. Price you pay for doing all that extra work putting those fucking rails on.
He says, all right, my turn.
Because I'm letting him know I'm going. Don't get in the fucking way, Dan.
I'm pretty sure that Dale didn't clear that like 6-inch gap. He like clipped.
Dale sucks at Fortnite. Everyone make fun of him in the comments. Dale said Dan can't tail slide, so. That was first try.
Worst, ugliest shit I've ever seen. Yeah. You're a bitch. I did that. You didn't.
He's right.
Fuck you. This and come back and do it.
Okay.
This is tough. You got it, dude. Stop being a fucking bitch. I'm trying so. So the joke was, I was making fun of Mac because I didn't want him to get confused because he's like a little kid, you know? That's the
Confused.
context. Dan's turn.
I'm confused. Hang on. Hang on. Wait. Damn.
Landed it. You wouldn't have.
I almost got confused.
I almost got confused. That was so close to it. God, the way you popped out was so cool.
Wow.
You leaned too fast.
You were like lean, double cup. He needs to be like lean, one cup.
Is that it? Wow.
Yes. 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 Counts. Wow. Wow.
I'm trying to get your back. That was crazy.
It's a birth defect.
Second try.
done. I'm tired. I can't do it anymore. I feel like fucked up.